MA in Sociology is one of 3 new MA programs at the School of Social Sciences at Liverpool Hope. It is one of the rare pure sociology degrees in the North, and it is focused around the idea of social change. Now, the reason why we chose social change as sort of the focus for this MA is the fact that we feel there are an increasing number of people today who are not only striving to understand the social context and these turbulent and very difficult times, but are also trying to be active agents, to be empowered and to contribute towards creation of real lasting change. So there are numerous topics that we're trying to make sense of at the moment. Obviously, there are rising inequalities that are related to neoliberal thinking, and then the climate change that's also related to a certain political economy. Then there's the decline of the welfare states everywhere in Europe and in the West, and the new poverty that emerges as a result of this. Then there is Brexit in the UK and similar movements, tendencies everywhere across Europe. Obviously, 2-3 decades ago, there was a lot of enthusiasm in relation to globalization and countries were opening up and looking forward, whereas now countries are focusing on, they're looking inwards, focusing on internal matters, and there's much more racial anxiety, and various other problems in relation to race as well. So when we're talking about these key sociological categories like race, class, and gender, there are constant changes taking place in front of our very eyes. The world is changing very rapidly today. In relation to class, we've got new classes emerging, like the precariat. So a class that consists of often young people who are well educated and from middle-class backgrounds, but who are struggling to make ends meet, who are on casual contracts, 0-hour contracts, and so on. In relation to gender, we've got new gender identities emerging. So it's a very interesting time, I suppose, to be a sociologist and to try and understand these tendencies. Now, the MA program is a truly interdisciplinary program and is taught by colleagues across the school who are also research active. So we've got a very vibrant research environment that our MA students then become a part of. People are doing research on neo-fascism, participatory democracy, social justice. They're exploring various international contexts like Denmark, Palestine, Peru, Japan. But I suppose that more than anything, we've also got very strong activist communities. So it is not just about people theorizing about the world while being somewhere removed from it, but quite to the contrary. I think we are parts of the world, and we are trying to develop as fast and follow the world as it is, as it emerges. So the MA students become a part of this very vibrant environment, and we engage in social activities, in various cultural activities, and we try to learn from each other.